This video is about the root chakra, or Muladhara. Hello, my name is Jessie, and today we're going to go through a yoga practice that can help you balance your root chakra. Things that can be affected when your root chakra is out of balance, and oftentimes your chakras can become blocked just by going through life and being stressed out or feeling anxious or depressed. All these are signs of your chakras being out of balance, but ways that you can tell is if your immune system, your feet, your legs, your rectum, or the base of your spine are having problems. These are all indicative of having misalignments in your root chakra. Disorders in the body that can indicate having a root chakra that's out of alignment can be varicose veins, immune system problems, rectal cancer, sciatica, low back problems, and depression. The emotions that are associated with the root chakra are feeling safe, feeling supported, feeling love, feeling like you're part of a family. So knowing this, it's really important to try to feel loved and accepted, and working towards that as we go through our lives. We are going to start off just by doing some yogic breathing. Oftentimes people don't know how to breathe properly, and if you are stressed out, you tend to breathe into your chest more anyhow, and that just fuels the stress. So we want to bring our hands to our stomach. We can breathe in through the nose and feel our stomach just fill up with our breath. Starting with the lower abdomen and then moving up to the upper abdomen and then filling the chest, and then exhale, making your breathing like a wave. Inhaling through the nose, filling the lower stomach, the upper stomach, and then the diaphragm. And exhale from the diaphragm, the upper stomach, and then the lower stomach. That's what making your breathing like a wave means. And we'll do this a few more times. Just feel your hands gently rise and fall with each breath. Good job. Simba's hard up for attention today. And we are going to just come onto our legs. We can bring our hands in front of us, and we're going to activate our feet by tucking our toes under. And try to see if you can get all of your toes activated here. Now, this may be difficult if you're not used to doing this, but activating the feet is an important part of working the root chakra. So perhaps start off here, leaning forward, and then see if you can just slowly bring yourself up. Just resting your hips on your heels, activating your toes. Just staying with your breath, breathing through it. Good job. Come out of it. And then the counter pose to this is to bring your hands back behind you and stretch the feet. Just allow yourself to lift the legs up, open up the chest, let the head fall back. Feeling a good stretch in the tops of the feet by the ankles. Good job. Slowly come back down. And from here, we can either stay in a thunderbolt pose, Vajrasana, or we can try for a half hero's pose or half thunderbolt pose, whichever you prefer. Staying on the left heel or grabbing a block if you need one, you can stretch the right leg out and perhaps bring that left leg to the side so that you're sitting beside it. If you are unable to come down like this, then by all means use the block, plant it under your hips, activate your foot, and then just walk your hands forward, folding forward over that right leg, reaching towards the toes. Good job. Slowly come back and switch sides. Bring that right leg back around. Maybe go to hero's pose on interim. Again, use your block if you need to. You can use it all the ways, whatever works for you. If you're unable to comfortably sit your hips between your feet. Or just switch sides, stretch that left leg out. Fold forward over that left leg. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling through the nose. Good job. Just walk your hands back towards you. Bring that left leg back. Bring the big toes together. Take a wide stance. Just walk your hands out for child's pose. We'll make this an easy practice today. Honoring your body, honoring your need to feel safe, to feel secure, and honoring where you are, even if you're not feeling that way today. That's okay. Honoring that and accepting yourself right where you are, and loving yourself. Slowly come up onto your hands and knees. Hands under the shoulders, knees under the hips. Look back behind you, tuck your toes under. Just make your hips shoot up into the air. Walk it out. Pedal the feet. Bend one leg as you straighten the other. Make your way into downward facing dog. Hips come up, shoulders come down. Good job. Just push one heel to the floor, then the other. Spin the elbows closer to the floor. Draw the hips in. Bend the knees at first if you need to create some space for your hips to come up and your shoulders to sink down further. Then try pushing your heels to the floor. Come forward into plank or kneeling plank. Hug the elbows into the sides as you slowly come down. Inhale, come up to a nice slow cobra. Bring your heels together. Push your pelvis into the floor. Open up the chest. Shoulders come back. Just lift up pretty low. And then push yourself back into child's pose. Bringing your forehead to the mat. Stay with the breath. Inhale through the nose and exhale through the nose. And when you're ready, just slowly bring yourself up onto your hands and knees. Just bring that right foot forward. Need a cat. Going into a kneeling lunge, leaving the hands by that right foot. Just sink the pelvis towards the ground. Opening up the hips. A really good one for sciatica is lizard lunge. You just take that right foot, walk it out, bring your hands to the instep. It can help to peel the sole of your foot up off of the floor so that just the outside edge of that right foot is on the mat. Come down if you're able to. Just gently bend your arms. Let that knee open up. Relax and release into the posture. Slowly come back up. Bring the foot back up. Tuck the toes of the left foot under as you walk your hands back and straighten out that right leg. Keep the hips lined up with that left knee. The left hip should line up with the left knee. You can activate this foot here. Push through the ball of the big toe, the inner heel, as you pull the pinky toe back towards you. Slowly come back. Switch sides. Bring the left foot forward. Center that left foot under the knee. Just let your hips sink down towards the floor. Just frame the foot with your hands. Inhale through the nose and exhale through the nose. If you want, walk that left foot out. Peel the sole of the foot up off of the floor. Just sink into the posture. Bring your hands down, forearms down to the ground. Breathe in through the nose, out through the nose. Just stay with it. Slowly bring yourself up. Bring that left leg back up. Tuck the toes of the right foot under as you walk your hands back. Just fold forward over that left leg. Activate the foot. Reach through the ball of the big toe, the inner heel, as you pull the pinky toe back towards you. Folding forward over that left leg. Try to get the left hip in line with the left foot. Good job. Walk your foot forward. Come back to your hands and knees. Come to center. And come to the center of the mat. Next we can do the half boat or the canoe. If you need a little extra support, you can grab the backs of your legs, bring your legs up, stretch your arms out, or you can come down, bring your hands back behind your back as you come down. Exhale, stretch out your legs. Inhale, push yourself up, pull your knees in. If you want to make it a more active practice. Couple more. We're just hold half boat. Good job. Scooch back a little bit. Stretch out your right leg. Bend your left leg. Bring your arms up on your in-breath. Exhale. Hinge from the hips and fold forward. Just reach towards your toes. Inhale through the nose. And exhale through the nose. Working on the yoga breathing that we practiced at the beginning of the video. Walk your hands back towards you. And switch sides. Stretch out the left leg. Bend the right leg. On the in-breath, just bring the arms up. Exhale, hinge from the hips, fold forward. Reach towards those left toes. Just staying with your breath. Slowly come back. Come to the center of the mat. Bring the soles of the feet together and just allow yourself to go back into reclined bound angle. You can lie back, have the arms stretched along the sides, palms facing up. It helps to open up the chest if you take your thumbs and roll them to the ground and then release. Inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the nose, filling the stomach, diaphragm, and chest. And whenever you're ready, just stretch out on your mat for Shavasana, the final relaxation. Just staying with your breath, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your nose. And we can repeat the word Lam. The sound can help to open up the root chakra if you are open to it. Inhale and just gently say with me, Lam. 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 Trying to make the sound deep because our root chakra is low. Lam. Good job. When you're ready, slowly bend your legs. Come to a comfortable seated position on the mat. Take a moment for gratitude. Just honor yourself. Honor where you're at right now. Maybe you're not feeling very grateful right now. That's okay. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you love this video. Please like, subscribe, and share. Check me out on Instagram as well. Until next time, may love and light be yours. Namaste.